This is a Chameleon Wi-Fi reader starter kit. It contains Wi-Fi reader and sensor array of 3 sensors and a temperature ID and an adapter cable to connect the two together. It allows us to collect soil moisture data from sensors in the ground, and the data is uploaded to a website through any smartphone's personal hotspot, and the data ends up on our cloud-based website. There's a number of scenarios the Wi-Fi reader can be used in. So in Africa, in irrigation schemes, we might have one Wi-Fi reader measuring maybe 20 sensor arrays throughout an irrigation scheme. The reader's plugged into the sensor array, the button's pressed, the data's collected, and the data then is on the reader. At a later date, the data can be uploaded to our cloud. Another scenario is where you have one reader for every sensor array. So I'll have this permanently connected to a post, and every 2 hours it collects data and uploads it through Wi-Fi. You may also have a scenario where the field doesn't have any Wi-Fi access, so the reader's plugged in permanently, it's collecting data every 2 hours and storing it, and then the reader's collected maybe once every 2 weeks to upload the data. I'm going to show you how to pair the Wi-Fi reader with a smartphone. So I'm going to go into the phone settings and change my phone's name to VIA hotspot. It can be with a space or without a space. And now I'm going to change my password to 12345678. So now that's set, we can now test the uploads. This is the test sensor, which will come with each kit. If I plug that in and press the reset button, I'm going to wait and see that the upload occurs. Okay, it's collecting the data, and now it's showing Wi-Fi uploaded, and we've got a flash there to show that it's worked. So now that we've uploaded our first record to the VIA farm website, we need to set up our farm and claim the sensor array. So you'll be provided a username and password when you've given the equipment, and you need to log on to VIA Farm with your username and password. Then there's an option of My Farms, and that's your personal farm, and in there you need to claim your sensor array, and there's an option there to claim sensor array. It's asking you all the details about your sensor array in the irrigation bay, and you can figure out all the details. That creates the ownership between your sensor array and the details you see on the website.